Hello, good morning, student. This is Gaurav Nayab, your mathematics teacher, and today we are discussing linear graphs and simultaneous equations, which is exercise 2E of Syllabus D, Book 2. So let's get started. Here we have the very first question, which says, using the elimination method, solve each of the following pairs of simultaneous equations. And we are given the very first sum. And in this, we have two equations given, x plus y is equals to 16 and x minus y is equals to 0. So first of all, let's label these two equations. We'll consider x plus y is equal to 16 as equation 1 and x minus y is equals to 0 as equation 2. Now, let's add both of these together and find out the third equation. By adding equation 1 and equation 2, what will we get? So you can see that when we are going to add both of these, this y will be removed because both of these y's have an opposite sign. We can only find the value of one variable at one time. So that's why we are adding it up, adding these two equations, because y has got an opposite sign. So by adding equation 1 and 2, we'll get the value of x. 2x is equals to 16 because x plus x is 2x, y is cancelled out, and 16 plus 0 is 16. Now, to find the value of x, we have to divide 16 by 2, and we are going to get the value of x as 8. Now, since we have found the value of x as 8, we are going to substitute or replace the value of x in any one of these two equations. So you can choose which one you want to substitute the value of x into. So I am substituting the value of x in equation 2. It's less work, that's why. So x minus y is equals to 2, which is my equation 2. And I'm going to replace the value of x as 8 in this equation. So when I'm going to replace, first let me see, since y is negative, I'm going to take y on the other side. So it is going to get positive. So y will be equals to x. Now since y is getting equals to x, and we know that the value of x is 8, so y will also be 8. Simple as that. Now if you even substitute here x in place of x, if you write 8 and take y on the other side, you will still get y is equals to 8. Pause the video, guys, and try yourself question number 1, which is on page 75. After solving all of the questions and all of the parts of question number 1, let's continue solving question number 2. It is on a similar pattern. We have two equations given to us. The first one is 7x minus 2y is equals to 17. And the second equation is 3x plus 4y is equals to 17. So we are first of all considering 7x minus 2y is equals to 17 as equation 1 and 3x plus 4y is equals to 17 as equation 2. Now you can see that these both of these x and y are having different values. So we need to eliminate one of this. Eliminate means you have to just cancel it. But since there is 2 here and there is 4 here, so I will multiply equation 1 with 2 so that I can get 4 here. So let's multiply equation 1 with 2. What will we get? If you multiply this entire equation with 2, you'll get 14x because 7 2s are 14 minus 2 2s are 4y is equals to 17 2s are 34. And now we can add equation 2 and equation 3 because we have changed equation 1 and we have got another equation now. So we are left with equation 2 and 3. So let's add equation 2 and 3 and see what we'll get. Now see, now we have got plus 4y and minus 4y here, which means this can be cancelled out. So the result will be 17x is equals to 51. In order to find the value of x, I have to divide 51 with 17, and therefore I will get x as 3. Now simply you are going to replace or substitute the value of x, which is 3, in any one of these equations. So let's substitute the value of x, which is 3, in equation 1. I'm going to rewrite equation 1, and this time I'm going to replace x with 3 here, and I'm going to put that in bracket. Now when we are multiplying 7 and 3, we'll get 21. Since y is negative, let's take this whole of this term, negative term, on the other side and bring 17 here. So we are going to get 2y is equals to 21 minus 17. Now, which will give us 4. In order to find the value of y, I will divide 4 with 2, and therefore the value of y will be 2. Pause the video, guys, and try yourself question number 2, which is on page 17, which is having uh, 6 parts. So this is all for today. I will see you tomorrow. Until then, take care of yourself, keep practicing, and give me your feedback if there's any problem.